Hello, I'm Jason Davis, corporate chef for Bell Plantation, the creators of PB2 powdered peanut butter. PB2 is 85% less fat than traditional peanut butter, which means instead of getting 190 calories per serving, you're only getting 45. Who uses PB2? Everybody. Everybody from runners to weightlifters to bodybuilders alike. They use it to get healthy and stay healthy. The great thing about PB2 is it's got over 1,000 different uses. Today I'll be making chocolate PB2 chicken mole. We're going to start out with our chicken. I've got 3 chicken thighs that have been deboned and skinned. I've got 2 tablespoons of oil. I've got 3 cloves of garlic. I've got a tablespoon of chili powder. I've got a half a teaspoon each of cumin and cinnamon. I've got 8 ounces of tomato sauce, a half a cup of chicken stock, and then a 1/4 cup of PB2, chocolate PB2. And then for garnish, I've got roasted sesame seeds and some cilantro. We're going to start off with putting about half the oil into a pan. We're going to let that come to temp. And you want to get it to a temp to where it's just starting to smoke. And now that our pan's come to temp, we'll go ahead and place the chicken in here. And what you want to do is, we're not going to try and cook this chicken all the way through. We're going to sear the chicken real good on both sides, cooking it for about a minute, minute and a half on each side to where it gets as dark as you can get it. And that sear and the flavors that are into the pan now are going to come to play in the recipe farther down when we start our sauce. That's why you want this pan to stay hot. Now that these have gotten nice and brown, we'll give them a flip. You can see how they just got that scorch on the top. That's what you're looking for. And we'll do the same thing to this side. Now that it's brown on both sides, as you can see, like that, that's what we're looking for, but you don't want to cook your chicken all the way through. So now what we'll do is cut the heat back a little bit and we'll put these to a plate. We'll let them rest while we create our sauce. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add the oil, the rest of the oil. We're going to add our garlic, our chili powder, the cumin and cinnamon. Give that a little stir, and you can already smell the aroma from these. They put off a real nice scent here. And now we'll do the tomato sauce in there. And all the seasonings with the chicken flavoring are blending together. We'll add our chocolate PB2, and it'll thicken up nicely. It just smells so good. Makes your mouth water. And now we'll add the chicken stock. Stir that in. And you want to make sure you get all the lumps out of it from the chocolate PB2. And once you got that blended together, you can cut your heat back to a nice simmer. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your chicken and place it back in there, move it around a little bit, get it totally covered in the sauce, like so. And we're going to let this continue to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until your chicken feels nice and firm. When it feels nice and firm, then you know the chicken is done. We'll cover that up, and we'll just let that cook and simmer. Now that we've let this simmer for between 5 and 8 minutes, or until your chicken's done, a good way to tell is it'll feel real firm. And it is very firm, so it's done. It's got a nice little roasted to it. This is great with some rice or couscous. I'm doing it with a little bit of wild rice with lime and cilantro. You put it on your plate like that. I use a little cup to give it a fancy little shape. And then you take one of your pieces of chicken and lay it over the top, like so. You'll do 2 just so you guys can get a pretty view of it. And then I do a little sauce just over the top of that. And top it with a little bit of cilantro and your sesame seeds. Just like so. And there you have it. Chocolate PB2 chicken mole over rice. Now we'll go ahead and give this a try. As you can see, it looks very nice on the plate. It'd be great to have your family around. So we'll give it a try here. Cut a piece of this chicken off. See, it's nice and done. Get a little bit of the rice, some of the sauce. That is so nice. It's a real good comfort food. You get the heat of the chili powder. You get the peanut butter in it, so it's real, it just goes great with the wild rice and the chicken. You can find other recipes like this on bellplantation.com, along with our products, like the chocolate PB2. If not, you can also check in your local retailer stores who may carry it. I'm Jason Davis, and see you next time.